Austin, this is the battle we've been waiting for.
And Austin, you were supposed to protect us, not destroy us. You were supposed to lead us all. And, yeah, who are you?
This is the medic. Do I have some backup?
I poop on your medic.
Hey! Oh, you want to fight?
Austin, what happened?
What was that?
Austin, what happened?
You turned to a smiley, blah, 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 blah. You ran in the ladles, blah, 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 blah. Now you're healed.
Wait, all the smileys got crushed. There's no more smileys, Austin.
I know. Yeah, we finally won.
Finally won.
Nolan, are you there?
What just happened to the medic? Oh no.
What? Get up!
She's pushing me. Austin.
Come on, Cohen!
No, she's not infected.
Oh no! Haha, you can't get me now. Got one.
Austin, do you even know what really happened on that day?
No.
You weren't, because you were the new king. You were sleeping and having everything you wanted. The humans started to attack us.
So what? Who even likes you?
And they were trying to attack us. So we took the medication. We all infected ourselves so that we could get revenge on the humans. But since you were asleep, you didn't know what happened. Austin, and you know if you kill me, Nolan dies.
Well, you're the last Smiley ever.
Look at yourself, Austin. You're the king of Smiley. You're the one who started this all. Remember?
No, I do not.
Austin, and I'm going to give you a choice. Wait, a choice that will end the episode. Will you kill Nolan and then not have to deal with any of this anymore, or sacrifice yourself? Guys, you will find out in the next episode.
No, I'm going to finish you off. Why am I so bad?
I think right now doesn't count as a series. Guys, that's the end of the episode.
Yes.
You're going to find out next time. I'm getting beaten the crap out of me. But you will find out Austin's decision next time. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah! Wait, not next week, because we're going to have some news.
How about in like 2 days?
5 days.
We'll meet you guys in...
Bye!